There isn't a more iconic pickup worldwide than a Dodge Ram. Now, if you're in the market for one, you'll already have an understanding of them, and then you should understand quite how special this is. A couple of technical things to tick off. It's a VAT qualifying commercial, so if you're a VAT registered business, this will be ideal for you, but it also came through the right channel. So what I mean by that is it's been imported by AEC, which is the only official importer of Dodge Rams. Now, the benefit of that is, on a 23 plate one like this, you'll still have the remaining manufacturer's warranty, which you get 3 years from new. It's only done 25,000 miles. Now, the important bits are it's a 5.7 V8 Hemi, but it's a Laramie Night Edition. Now, not only is it a Laramie Night Edition, which is top of the tree, it's then had some exterior styling, so you'll notice the bonnet vents. It's also had this front bumper, which definitely sits lower than what you would see on a standard Ram. Colour is black, which I think suits the car down to the ground because it's an aggressive looking pickup truck. If you're just looking for a small truck to go to work in, it's not this. But if you're wanting something to stand out from the crowd, this could be the pickup for you. Wide arches, something we've never seen on one, but they work beautifully. These 22-inch wheels, multi-spokes, just gives it that nice widened look to it. It's already a very wide car as it is, but the styling that's been done has just been done to the highest order. So very, very clever eye who's looked at this. Now, another big piece of spec which you'll see just now is the electronic deployable side steps. Now, to my knowledge, to get them fitted in the UK is very difficult, in fact probably impossible to find someone who can do them for you. This one has already been done. Now, if you have a look at the key as well, so you've got keyless air suspension, or key controlled air suspension, you've got remote start, which I'll show you when we get to the back, and you've also got the remote boot button as well. Now, for space, it's not really something that you need to discuss. I'm 6'2", can jump in the back of here with ease, so if you have a big family, a workforce, whatever it is, and you need to carry some people, you can do it with absolute ease. Huge sliding panoramic sunroof. The two outer seats are heated. You've got both USB Type-C and the standard down there as well, so if you're going on a long journey, you need to charge iPads, tablets, phones, etc. You can do that no problem. Leather all the way through with the stitching. You'll notice the Ram on the emblem there as well. Now, if I go underneath here, we should have, like we do, you've got a storage compartment. Now, I think that was originally put in there for whatever it might be. You might store spare oil, you might store even drinks if it's the summer, because for me, as much as this is a black, aggressive, stealthy looking truck, to me, it's the sort of thing in the summer you could get up to all sorts of activities, whether you want to go to the beach, go camping, caravanning, because when you get to the back, you've got the remote drop, you've got the bed lining already in there as well. So again, you can put that with whatever you want. You've got the AEC logo on the back, just symbolising which channel it has come through. Now, the benefit of that, if you aren't too familiar with it, is if you get one normally that's been imported by a person, for example, they don't come with a warranty, where this one has it. Towbar is on there. I can't think of an awful lot that this won't be able to tow. And then now for the showpiece, it's the engine. So if you're looking at one of these, they don't all sound like that because it's got a full Borla exhaust system. So they do sound nice anyway, but they definitely don't sound like that. We've had them in the past, you'll have seen us advertise them, but that just makes a world of a difference. You've also got this cool little step on the back as well. So if you are loading stuff on there, like I said, bikes, motorcycles, surfboards, whatever it is, then that'll help you get on the back as well. When we get to the driver's seat, when there's a few different models when it comes to Dodge Rams. You have a Laramie, you have a Warlock, you have a Classic, but the Laramie Night Edition is top of the tree, so you get the larger tablet screen in the centre. Now, again, because this has come through AEC, the navigation is fully functional, your Apple CarPlay, everything else, that all works as it should. Electric side steps make a big difference. Even though I'm tall, you would need them to get in and out. So usually on some of the Dodge Rams, they only have half a screen. It's got your full screen. The front driver's seats are heated, ventilated, heated steering wheel. So again, all types of weather conditions are covered with that. Your roof system, so you can open the front, which you can tilt, you can fully open, and then you can obviously cover with the sun visor if it was getting a little bit too warm. Also, if you have a look behind my head, there's another window that leads out into the boot space. So again, it's why I think of summer when I think of a car like this, and coming into summer as we are into spring, perfect. But you've got that four-wheel drive capability down here. So different drive modes, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive auto. You've got your adaptive air suspension, which you can control from the button. Once the doors are closed, that will do that. Different tow modes, etc. Wireless charger, Harman Kardon sound system. So again, driving along in your truck, I can't think of anything better. Music blasting, you've got one of the best systems you can physically get. It's done 25,000 miles. Digital display in the centre. It's been kept in very, very good condition. If I pop it in reverse, you will see the rear view camera system. Let's just come on, it's because the door's open, sorry. It doesn't want me to drive them out the door. The noise is frightening. unbelievably cool sounding car. USBs and everything down here, loads of space under the armrest for cup holders, tablets, storage, everything. And again, to reiterate, it is a commercial vehicle, so VAT qualifying commercial vehicle through a VAT registered business. You can just drive it as you would a normal Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, something like that. So again, very, very special truck, even for a Dodge Ram. So it's unique because of what it is, but then it's unique because of the model it is within a Dodge Ram. Laramie Night Edition physically doesn't get any better when it comes to a Dodge Ram. This one is available to us with outstanding AEC warranty. That's a massive point. So if you're interested, this is available today. Any questions, queries about this car, potential part exchange, or even how you can buy it, then please let me know. My name is Paddy. You'll find my number in the description. Feel free to give me a ring. I'll answer any questions that you've got.